Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I've got a really cool one for you. It's a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette done in Riverside Red. This might look like your grandpa's Corvette, but this one's had some really tasteful upgrades like an LS3 underneath the hood making 500 horsepower. It's got a TKX 5-speed transmission, custom exhaust. It's got the hardtop for it, which is in excellent condition. Really beautiful car, frame-off restoration done on this one, and this one is ready to go, guys. This is one of my favorites in the showroom. As you can see, that beautiful Riverside Red just looks beautiful on this car. You've got some really nice white interior that's all new, and how we know it's new is because we did it. It's in excellent condition. Let's look at the front of the car here. The nose is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any chips or cracks or anything like that. Your chrome is in excellent condition here. The hood is in excellent shape. The fitment of the hood is really nice. All your body lines are nice and even all the way around the hood, which is hard to do with these fiberglass cars. It's not easy. Even from the factory, they didn't fit perfect. So we look at the fender here. The fender's in excellent condition. Your badges look to be new. All the trim along the bottom of the car is in excellent condition. You've got some really nice Redline Michelin tires up front that look really nice. You've got some replica knockoffs there, 15 inches, look really great on the car. Definitely give it that nostalgic look. As we look down the side of the car here, we go to the door. Your gaps are nice and even all the way down. Door sits flush, body line is lined up like you want it. You've got a white fabric top here that is real, or I'd say vinyl top. It's really, really clean. It's in great condition. It's been sitting down in the car, so you do have some creases here, but you let it sit out in the sun, let it get warm, it'll straighten all out and look beautiful. All the chrome here around the windows in excellent condition. All the glass is really nice. I'm not seeing any rock chips or scratches or anything like that on there. Your chrome wiper blades and wiper arms are in excellent condition as well. Door looks good here. Your gap down here looks really nice. The trim along the bottom of the car is in excellent condition. Always like to open the doors to show you that they shut nice and easy. No issues with sagging doors. We look at the rear quarter here. Rear quarter is really nice. I'm not seeing any paint imperfections. The paint, guys, on this car is absolutely beautiful. That Riverside Red just pops amazing. And then once again out back, you've got the Michelin tires, red lines there with the knockoff wheels, 15-inch. As we work our way around the back side of the car, you got that classic dual headlights or tail lights back here in the rear that look really nice with the dual exhaust that comes out the back. And it really sounds good with that LS3 underneath the hood. But overall, the back of the car is in excellent condition. Your fuel cap door is really nice, in perfect condition. You've got your antenna here that's in excellent condition as well. As we work our way over here, you've got the hardtop. The hardtop's in excellent condition. Paint's really nice, no scratches or anything like that. Even the underside, the headliner on the top is in really good condition as well. Your glass is in great condition. All your weather stripping here is still in good condition as well. But overall, a fantastic Corvette. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you the LS3 under the hood. Go. All right, guys, let's check out this beautiful engine bay. The first thing you're gonna notice is that big LS3 stuffed in there. And when I say that, there's still plenty of room here to work on it. It's not crammed in there or anything like that. That's one awesome thing about the LS motors. They fit in anything. You've got the beautiful Corvette engine covers on there, which fit this build because it is a Corvette. You've got the LS3 here on the engine covers as well, which is really, really nice. You've got a set of stainless long tube headers, which really make this thing breathe well, going into that custom exhaust that this car has, and it looks beautiful under the car. You've got an upgraded radiator on this car too with electric fans to keep everything nice and cool, but overall, a fantastic motor for this car. This car is pretty light, so 500 horsepower gets this thing down the road really nicely, but overall, a very clean and simple engine bay that will keep this car timeless for years to come. But guys, we're gonna wrap up this engine part and move to the interior. All right, let's check out this beautiful white interior. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, it's all new because we did it. We did new seat covers, new center console, arm pad here. We also did new door panels, so everything is crisp and white and looks fantastic. Second thing you're gonna notice is the stick shift in this car. Like I said earlier, it is a TKX 5-speed manual transmission. Really nice setup in here. It gives you that fifth gear for the overdrive, so you can cruise this thing on the interstate no problem at all. It's a very nice driving car. The carpet looks really nice on here as well. Your console here is in excellent condition. You also have your radio and your clock and everything here. The dash is still in really good condition. All the leather here is still really nice. It's not cracking or doing anything weird. Everything in the interior looks really nice in the way it should, period correct. You've got that beautiful walnut steering wheel that looks really nice as well. But overall, a fantastic interior in here. Another thing I want to mention is on the soft top, you can just look at how nice the top of here is. You can tell it's a brand new top. All the metal brackets here for the top are still in really good condition. The paint looks really nice, no rust or anything like that. But overall, a really great interior, and I'm excited to get to my favorite part. And let's take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the Corvette, and so far, this thing is fun to drive. I just got on it once we got temps and everything up, got on it a little bit, and this thing is a rocket ship, guys. It is very, very fast. All you guys back in the day that bought these cars brand new probably wish that it drove like this one does. This car does have some upgraded disc brakes up front and power steering, which makes this thing very easy to drive versus the manual steering and manual brakes. The transmission and clutch feel amazing in the car. It makes it very fun to drive. All the gauges here are working, even the clock, radio, everything works like it should. But overall, a fantastic little Corvette here. Let's get down into second gear here. Do a little pull. Woo! This thing is fast, boy. You can really feel it squatting down when you're getting on it. But overall, a great driving Corvette. This thing is built very nice. Feels really stable on the road. Brakes feel fantastic. Definitely nice to have the upgraded disc brakes in the front, and the power steering just makes it a joy to drive. But guys, we're gonna get it back to the shop, get it on the lift, and let Carson go over some of the stuff on the bottom side of the car. So we'll go ahead and get back to the dealership. Hope you enjoyed the drive part.
All right, guys, underneath the 64 Vet here, we have this nice thick Duets radiator right here. No overheating issues on this car. Nice electric fans paired with it, works very well. Moving on back, we have a nice SFI rated harmonic balancer in the front, so no delamination issues with that. Good for a long time. Power steering ram here is a common leak point on the C2s and C3s. It all looks fresh, no leaks or anything, all looks good. In the front here, we have disc brakes, which is a nice touch. Moving on back, we have a full stainless works exhaust on this thing from the headers all the way to the tips. Nice TIG welds throughout, nice flex joints to keep things from cracking. They did a good job of matching it through this cross member here so you don't have any rattle issues. Above me is this nice TKX Tremec 5-speed transmission. It's set up on a hydraulic clutch, which is going to feel much better than the old linkage setup does. In there, the clutch is orange, so we can assume that that's a center force clutch. It feels very good, nice progressive engagement. It's not too harsh on you. Moving on back, the frame paint's nice. Everything looks good and matching. Drive shaft looks to be brand new as well. Above me is a freshly rebuilt 411 ratio limited slip differential, so no issues hooking up with this thing. Little U-joints on the drive shafts, everything feels tight, everything's been gone through on this car. And above me, we still have the spare tire as well, which is nice to have for originality. But it's up on the site, guys. Check it out soon. See y'all.